Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Good, very good. Now we can start our session now. Okay. Now take your EVS Little Thinker book. This is our EVS book, Environmental Studies. EVS Lesson 4, Safety. SAFETY, Safety. Now we are going to see about the safety rules that we have to follow in the home and school. That is in the kitchen. We told you about what are the safety measures what you have to follow in the kitchen as well as in the school playground. In the last session we saw. Next we are going to see about the remaining places like school and classroom. SAFETY, safety. Some, SOME, some. Safety measures, MEASURES, safety measures that we have to, HAVE, have, TO2, FOLLOW, follow, WHEN, when, WEVARER, INN, THE, the, SCHOOL, school, or classroom, CLASSROOM, classroom. Some safety measures that we have to follow when we are in the school or classroom. Here we are going to see what are the safety measures that we have to follow in the classroom as well as in the school, because in the classroom and the school and all, it's very important places. We have to follow many safety measures and rules in these places. Let us see what and all we have to follow. Here, now in your EVS book, take page number 35. Here we have given you many pictures. Okay, now keep your finger, observe, OBSERVE, observe the pictures, 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 BELOW, below. Draw a cross, 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 into on the pictures, 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 THAT, that, SHOW, show, UNSAFE, safe, unsafe, unsafe situations, SITUATIONS, unsafe situations or actions, ACTIONS, actions at school, SCHOOL, school. Observe the pictures below. Draw a cross on the pictures that show unsafe situations or actions at school. Okay, here we have given you many pictures here. Okay, we all see this now? Yes. Now see the first picture. What picture is this? What place is this? It is our classroom. Yes, good. It's our classroom. In the classroom, how we have to behave? See, few of them are sitting, few of them are running here and there, roaming here and there. Whether this action is good? No, this action is not at all good. We have to sit quietly in our place until the teacher is coming. Okay, until the teacher comes, you have to sit quietly and you can discuss with our friends, or we can learn anything, or we can memorize anything. Like that we can do any work. We should not run here and there. If you run here and there, we will be getting hurt, will be getting injured. So this is not a safe action. Until the teacher comes, you have to remain silent. Okay. So this picture is not at all safe. So you have to put a cross here. Okay. Next, to see the picture. What is this boy doing? This boy is handling a scissor. And scissor, it's a sharp instrument. Whether this is good, this is not a safe action. So this action is not at all safe. You have to put a cross symbol here. Next, to see what picture is this? The students are coming down the stairs. Now few of them, see, one boy is pushing this girl. Whether this action is good? No, this action is not at all good. We should not run in the stairs also. While going up or coming down, we should not run in the stairs. It is very important place. You have to be very careful when you're running, when you're coming down. If anybody is pushing, you'll be falling down. You'll be getting hurt badly. So this action is not at all good. You have to put a cross symbol here. Next we can see what picture is this. The students are going to the classroom in a line. See how linely he is going, how quietly and neatly they are going into the classroom. See, by seeing this itself, We are feeling very happy to see this picture. So everybody should go in a line. So this picture is very, very safe and safe situation. So you can put a tick here. Next situation, see. Next, what picture is this? The kids are standing in a line. They are entering inside the bus. See how neatly they are moving inside. See, I am really very happy to see this picture. Because you also have to move like this, no? But in our schools, what we will do? We will run here and there. But that is not a good action. So, you have to go in a line, enter quietly and sit in our place inside the school bus. So, this action is very, very safe. You can put a tick mark here. See, these two actions are very safe. Okay, children? When you are coming outside or entering inside the school bus, we have to maintain very silence and come in a line and go in a line. That is only, it's very good action. So you can put a tick here for this action. Next, see, what is this boy doing? This boy is climbing on the desk and he's jumping from the desk, from the table. Whether this action is good. So this action is not at all good. See how he is climbing. If he is climbing, he'll be getting hurt. So he is jumping from the table. This action is not at all safe. You can put a cross symbol here. See, totally we have 6 pictures here. See, first one is wrong answer, an unsafe situation. Second one is also unsafe. Third one unsafe. Fourth one is safe. Fifth one is safe. And sixth one is also unsafe. Totally in this picture, only 2 pictures are safe and all the other 4 pictures are unsafe. Okay, children. So everybody should be careful while going inside the classroom and coming out from the classroom. We can check whether our answers are correct or wrong. See, first one is wrong, second one is cross, third one cross, fourth one is correct, fifth one is correct, and sixth one is also cross. Okay. So everybody follow the instructions properly. Next, we can see some safety measures that we have to follow on the road. Okay. ROAD, road. SOME, SOME, SOME. SAFETY, safety. MEASURE, some safety measures that WEV, HAVE, have. TO2, FOLLOW, follow. WHEN, when. WEV, ARER, WALKING, walking. ON, on. THE, the. ROAD, road. Some safety measures that we have to follow when we are walking on the road. See, when we are walking on the road, we have to follow many safety measures because it is good for us and for the others also. Okay. Let us see with the pictures. Now see in your book, take page number 36, 4.4 activity. Observe, OBSERV, observe the pictures below. Draw a cross on the pictures that show unsafe situations or actions on the road. We have to show what are the unsafe situations and actions on the road. See the first picture. What is the boys are doing? These boys are playing in the middle of the road. Whether this action is good. See, it is not at all good. Say they're playing in the middle of the road. They're playing ball. See, if any vehicle is coming, you should not play like this. Okay, this action is not at all safe. So you have to play only inside the playground. See, we have a place for playing, no. So in the middle of the road we have to play? No, we should not play. So children, you should not run here and there. You have to play only in the playground. So this action is not at all safe. You can put a cross here. Second action, see the child is holding the adult hand and he is crossing on the zebra crossing. So you have to cross only on the zebra crossing. That is only is good. So it's a good safe action. So you have to put a correct symbol here, tick symbol here. Next, see the third picture. The adult is holding the kid's hand. They are holding line by line. Whether this action is good? Yes, this action is really good. While you're crossing on the road, you have to move left and right. We have to see to our left and to our right. Then we have to cross our road. Okay, children. See how they are holding their hands properly and they are moving here and there. See, this action is very good. You can put a tick symbol here. Next, see this boy how he is crossing the road. He is crossing the road in the middle and he is running and crossing. Whether this action is good. See, when we run, we'll be getting hurt. Many vehicles are coming here and there from the left and right. So we have to see to our left and right. We have to cross only on the zebra crossing. Okay, children. So this action is not at all good. You can put a cross symbol here. Okay. See, first one is cross. Second one tick. Third one tick. Fourth one is also cross. So two unsafe actions and two safe actions. We can see whether this is correct or not. We can check with our answers. Yes. Now see this. First action is cross. Second action correct. Third action is tick. Fourth action is also cross. So see these actions and we have to mark it correctly in our book. Next we can see about the community helpers. See community. What is it? First we can see about community. A community. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. A community means a community is a place where people live, work and play. This is a place where they will live, they will work and they will play. This is a place called community. Who are community helpers? We can see now. Community helpers are the people in your community that help others. They are the people will help others in the community. Okay, this is community. These are the community helpers. We can see many community helpers are there in our community. We can see who are they. First one is the policeman. Okay, policeman keeps us safe. He is the person who will keeps us safe. Second one, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Helps us feel better. They will help us to feel better. Next, teacher. It helps us to learn. Yes, we are teaching you, no? So, we are our teachers. Will help us to learn. Veterinarian. Veterinarian is our person. He heals our pets. Firefighter. Protects us from danger. Next, dentist. Dentist will keeps our teeth healthy and strong. Good. Next, doctor. Heals our bodies. He is the person who will be healing our body. When we are sick, he will take care of us and he will cure us. Next, farmer. Grows our food. He is the person who will give us food. They will be growing many crops for us. Yes. Next, construction worker. Builds houses and buildings. He builds many houses and buildings for us, no? So, he is our construction worker. He is also a community helper for us. Next, crossing guard. Helps kids to cross the road. They will be helping the kids to cross the road. Next, mailman. He delivers our mail. He will be coming and delivering our mail like postman. Librarian. Helps us to find great books. See, in the books, the library, we have to find many books, no? So, he is the person who will help us to find the books. Good. They are the community and community helpers, okay? Policeman, nurse, teacher, veterinarian, firefighter, dentist, doctor, farmer, construction worker, crossing guard, mailman, librarian. Okay, these are our community helpers. Okay. Next, when we want to help, when we want the help from our community helpers, how do we call? We will go and call them. So, instead of going in person and calling them, we have to call over the phone. For every community helpers will be having a separate number, common number for everybody. For common number, see for policeman, who is he? He is a policeman and policewoman. For if we want to call the policeman and policewoman, we have to dial the number 100. See, if it is a real need, if it is a real emergency only, we have to call them. See, second one, it's firefighter. See, firefighter is 101. Next is the doctor, 102. Doctor is 102. See, policeman is 100, firefighter is 101, doctor is 102. Okay. In next activity, help these community helpers to find the shortest route to site of emergency. Now see this person. What happened to this house? So it got in fire. See, fire is there. You can see, no? Yes. Whom we have to call? We have to call the policeman or the firefighter or the doctor. Whom we have to call? See, we have to call only the firefighter. Okay. See, first person is the policeman. We cannot call him. See, he is having the vehicle. Next is the fire ambulance. This is the fire engine. Next is the ambulance. Okay. So we should not call them. Okay. We have to call only the firefighter. So we have to guide them. We can draw a line for them to come and reach our place. Like this, we have to draw a line. Okay, okay, Kana? Good. Next. Next is the unscramble the words. These are the unscrambled words. Already they have given you few words here. Few letters they have given you. We have to write the correct letters. Okay. Next, who is the person will be putting off the fire? He's called as fireman. Firefighter, fireman. See, already they have given you E and M. So you have to write F-I-R-E-M-E-N. Fireman. Next, who is the person who will take care of us when we are sick? Doctor. Yeah, of course. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Next, who will help the doctor? They will take care of us when we are not well. Yes, nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Good. Next, what is the name of our lesson? Safety. Yeah. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. Next, when we touch the electrical items, we'll be put in danger. Yeah. D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. Okay. Next, we can check the answers. Fireman, doctor, nurse, safety, danger. Okay, children. These are the unscrambled words and these are the person will be helping us. They are our community helpers. Okay. Now, form teams and perform role plays to show what one should do in emergency situations. Use the following informations in your role play. What number to call? See, for police it's 100, for fireman is 101 and for medical emergency is 102. If there is a fire, we have to call them first. Have to say, after dialing, you have to say, I need help, sir. I am. You have to say your name. Say where you are from. Say we have to say our location. No, then they will come and help us. No. Good. Say what happened. What is the reason you have to say to them. Listen to the person on the other end of the phone. What he is saying, you have to listen to them. Follow the instructions, what he is saying, and stay over the phone. You have to stay first. Never call emergency numbers unless it is a real emergency. Unless it is a real emergency, you should not call them. Okay, children, it's very, very important. So nobody should call if there is any fake, if there is without any real emergency, we should not call them. Okay. Okay, Kana, by this we can end our session. This is the safety. Okay, so I have to follow all the safety measures in the kitchen, playground, school, as well as on the road. Okay, by this you have to follow all the safety measures. Thank you, children.